Hi guys, welcome to day 9 of our design challenge. In today's challenge, I'm going to show you how to create this amazing birthday flyer using just your smartphone. In this tutorial, you will learn the step-by-step process behind this masterpiece, plus the key things you need to consider whenever you want to design a professional looking birthday flyer. If you have ever struggled to make your design stand out, then this video is exactly what you need. Make sure you watch the video to the end so you don't miss any important tips. Without further ado, let's get started. So guys, first thing first, click on this icon, go to image size. You guys already know our default dimension, which is 1028. If you have been following us in this design challenge, I believe that you already are accustomed with this dimension. Now let's import the background of the design. So guys, this is the background of the design. Click on your good icon, stretch it. Yes, make sure it covers your workspace completely. Yeah, this is good. Now click on this icon, lock the background. The next thing we need to do is for us to import the pictures of the celebrants one after the other. So guys, this is the first image. Click on your good icon. Yes. So guys, you could see that the image resonates with the background, in that I used the right background. Whenever you want to create any design, please, the first thing you need to put into consideration is the kind of background you intend to use. What you don't know is that a background can either make your design beautiful or is going to mar your design. So if you don't want the background to affect the outcome of your design, do well to make use of the right background. Like I would always tell my students, don't be in a hurry to create any design. Instead, take your time and gather all the resources you need for that project. Take your time and pick the right background, the right font, so that you can come up with a masterpiece. Having said that, let's continue. So increase this a little. Yes. Beautiful. You know what to do. Copy it, delete the one behind. Now place it here. Okay, quickly go to color filters. So we'll be doing some adjustments. Go ahead and increase the brightness. Yes, increase the contrast a little, then touch the saturation a little. I believe you guys know this creator. Yes, he's a YouTuber. His name is Christus. He's a big creator. I mean a big creator in this industry. You can go ahead and check on him on YouTube. He owns a YouTube channel. Follow him. He's also a graphic designer. He creates insightful tutorial videos. Just do well to search for his name on YouTube. Believe me, you will not regret ever subscribing to his channel. That reminds me, I'm not the creator behind this masterpiece. The creator behind this masterpiece is none other than Victor Ikechukwu. Victor Ikechukwu is also a big graphic designer. You can check him on Facebook. He doesn't have a YouTube channel. So let's continue. Quickly go ahead and lock this image. Now let's import the second image. So this is the second picture. Click on your good icon. Click on this. Lock the first one. Now go back to crop. Flip it to the other side. Beautiful. Reduce it. Yes. Place it here. Now take it behind. That's good. Bring it down a little, reduce it again, so we can see what I'm doing. Yes, you know, some persons reached out to me and they told me that they would like me to create real estate flyer designs, fashion related designs, and what have you. Well, I promise you guys that I'm going to create some of those designs before the design challenge ends. Yes, now go to color filters. But there's something that you guys are yet to do. In case you are watching this video and you have not done that, please, I want you to do it now. Like I want you to do it now. If you know that you are yet to follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, head over to the description of this video. You'll find a link to my Facebook page there and to my Instagram. It will cost you nothing for you to follow me on Facebook and also on Instagram. I believe you've been gaining value from my tutorial videos. Likewise, Facebook and Instagram, you will gain much more. So just go ahead and do what? Click on the follow button and follow me. If you've done that, thank you so much. And for those of you that requested for some videos, I can't remember her name, but the name of our brand is Refined Graphics. Yes. You're the one that requested for real estate flyer designs and fashion related designs. I promise you that I will create either 1 or 2 of those designs before the end of this challenge. So guys, let's continue. Beautiful. Now click on this, do what to lock the image. So we are going to do something right away. I believe you guys are familiar with what we are about to do now. So go to draw, increase the pen size, increase the smoothness, increase the blur radius, tap on your screen. Now go to color, enable it, click on the plus icon, click on your color picker, click on the background. We'll be making use of this color. Then click on OK. Increase it, place it here. Go ahead and copy it, place it here, copy it again, place it here. Then copy it for the last time, place it here. Beautiful. Now click on this icon, make sure you lock all the backgrounds, very important. So it's time for us to write happy birthday. Go to your A icon, go to text, go to edit. Now happy birthday na Christus. Okay, place it here. Now go to font, go to recent. We'll be using Montserrat bold. Yes, click on OK, break it, yeah, then increase it, do how to increase it, place it here. Okay, now go to line spacing, reduce the space, yeah, click on OK. So take it to this end. That's not all. Highlight this, click copy, go to edit, write his name. Now Christus is a good creator. After now, you can go and search for him on YouTube. Go to font, go to recent. We'll be using this font, Bricolage. Yes, click on OK. Increase the size, very important. Okay, reduce it a little, then place it here. Let's see. Okay, this is not bad. We're going to change the color of this text. Now go to color, click on your plus icon, click on your color picker, click on his picture. Let's see. Okay, click on OK. Now increase it a little. So guys, I don't like this color. Go back to color again. This is the right color. Yes, click on your plus icon. In case you don't have the color code, this is the color code E2D1B5. I don't know if you guys know how to impute a color code into your color wheel. In case you don't know, this is how we do it. Click on this pencil icon, then come here. This is where you are supposed to write the color code. Hope you can see it. Just go to this hex, write E2D1B5. If you are done with that, click on OK, and it will automatically pick that color. Hope you are with me. Okay, click on OK. So let's continue. Now the next thing we need to write is the birthday wish. So click on your plus icon, go to edit. Click on OK. Recently, there's something I noticed about some of you. You guys are very funny. Some of you, after recreating some of the designs I created, both my designs and some of the designs of other creators, designed by many of you, go ahead and write the name of your brand on that design. Please don't be a thief. It is not your design. First of all, give credit to the person that created the design. then write recreated by me. That is how we do it. You get, so that you will not be dragged on social media. I know what I'm saying. So you will not be dragged on social media. If it is not your design, please don't write designed by by your brand, since it is not your design. It is someone else's design. So give credit to that person. It's not easy to come up with a concept. So learn to give credit to that person. Now go to font. We'll be using Montserrat regular. Montserrat regular. Okay, click on OK. Okay, now reduce the size of the font. Place it here. Stretch it. Yes. Now go to color. Yes, this is the color. Seems that this write-up is not bold, so highlight it. Let's use a bolder font. We're making use of Montserrat medium. Okay, I think this is better. This is better. Now let's create those shapes. So click on this, go to shape. Okay, stretch it. Okay, bring it down. This is how I do it. So reduce it from the side. Okay, reduce it again. This is okay. Now reduce it from here. So what will happen is that I'm going to pause this video so I can write everything quickly, except for the happy birthday and the date, so I can show you guys how to do it yourself. Okay guys, so I'm done writing those stuffs by the side of his face. Now let's write happy birthday. Click on your text icon, go to edit. So guys, let's go ahead and write the happy birthday we used to wrap the date of his birthday. So happy birthday. Okay. Oh, is it small letter? Sorry about that. Happy birthday. Now click on this stuff. Click on this. Now also pick this again. Click on your good icon. Now go to text, reduce it to 16. Okay, bring it down. Enable your grid lines. So place it here. Okay, now remove these other ones. Remove this one too. Good. Highlight that birthday right up. Go to spacing, reduce it. Okay. Click on a good icon. Go to font. We'll be using Montserrat medium. So we can see. Now go to spacing. Reduce it a little. Okay. Now let's zoom in so we can see what we are doing. I like zooming in a lot. Okay, this is good. Click on your good icon. Now go to rotate. Oh, sorry about that. Go to curve. So bend it so we can see. Okay. Take it up. Place it here. Okay. Good. Copy it. Bring it down. And go to rotate so we can see. Okay, so place it here. Let's see. Well, this is not good enough. And go to curve again. Increase it to 100. Delete this one. Highlight this one. Copy it. Bring it here. Now go to rotate. So rotate it, beautiful, and place it here. Okay, that's it guys. Now zoom out. Let's see. Okay, now highlight this again. Go to position, move it a little. Okay, and take it up. Look at a good icon. So that's it. Now let's go ahead and write 13th June. Click on this, copy, edit. 13th June. Beautiful. Go to font, change it to Montserrat semi-bold, or let's leave it at bold. Yes. So go to size, reduce the size, bring it down here, reduce the size. Don't worry, just reduce it. Okay, and go to position it at the center. I think we need to increase the size again. Okay, go to position, bring it down a little, go to align. Yes, use a center alignment, and go back to position it. Okay, take it up. Okay, this is good. And go to line spacing, increase it a little. Okay, so highlight it again, now move it. Okay, so guys, I'm going to stop here. Please go ahead and do the editing. This video is now too long, very long, and I'll have to edit it. Thank you so much for staying with me to the end. Do well to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop a comment, possibly share the video. If you are yet to subscribe, hit the subscribe icon and smash the notification bell. It's still Vixen Tech. For those of you that want me to extend the design challenge to 30 days, I want you to come to my DM so we can discuss. If you really want me to extend the design challenge, don't fail to come to my DM. But if I don't see anybody in my DM, we're going to end this challenge on the last day. Thank you so much. If there's anything I'm forgetting, do well to add it to the design. It's Vixen Tech. Do well to watch the next video that will appear on your screen right now. Thank you.